I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Lebara to E, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Request a PSC code. To start the porting process, you need to get a porting authorization code PSC from Lebara. You can do this by texting PSC to 65075 or calling their customer service. Step 2. Wait for the PSC code. Once you've requested the PSC, it should arrive via text or email within a few minutes. Make sure to keep it safe as you'll need it for the next step. Step 3. Sign up with E. Next, you'll need to sign up for an E plan if you haven't already. You can do this online, in store, or over the phone. Make sure to mention that you want to port your number. Step 4. Provide the PSC code. During the sign-up process with E, you'll be asked to provide your PSC code. Enter it exactly as you received it to avoid any delays. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PSC code, E will process the request. You should receive a confirmation of your number transfer within a few hours to a couple of days. Keep your old SIM until the transfer is complete. Switching your number can feel a bit daunting, but following these steps should make it easier. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help. Good luck with your new E service.